Hello guys, just wanted to share a small progress that I've made. I just created my first Power BI dashboard and just wanted to show you guys. So this is the data that I extracted from my P6 file, and this is the activity is breakdown. These are the WBSs, and this is the cost breakdown against each of the WBSs, and these are the filter dates as per the plan started. So this is my main screen, and you can see the cost that's being reflected here. If I filter through the WBS, you can see the cost reflected here, and so the WBSs, and so the tables. And so if I click on any of the WBS, you can see the total cost of that WBS, and same will be shared against the work breakdown structure. I do the clear selection, and you can also share the cost against the plan start dates and the plan finish dates. You can get the cost against that. You can see here the total cost that is from 23rd 2023 to the 5th of May 2024. The cost being reflected here, and so is the pie chart WBS. So this is my first Power BI template. If you guys want this template, anybody of you, please do let me know, and also share your feedback. Anybody want to get this Power BI created, please do a message. Please do leave a message in my inbox. Thank you. Take care. Bye.